Seen Vibes Cartel and Movado perform individually multiple times before. That was Vibes Cartel's best ever performance, and that was Movado's best ever performance. Both of them gave it everything, and there was something about them performing together that just made it electrifying. I think also being in Jamaica, being outside, it just gave what it needed to give. It wasn't a clash. It wasn't a clash.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
The catalogs are absolutely insane, and whether or not you're Gully, whether or not you're Gaza, whether you're Vendetta, whatever you don't want to say, Vibes Cartel and Movado, them going around to do Gully versus Gaza, it's going to push dancehall even further. It is so important for our culture, and it was...
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
A few moments later.
Now, if there's any Ghana schools in here tonight, I want to see some fighters.
2,000 years later.
This is how I know say Alkaline are the real boss. The man himself. The data boss are the real boss for dancehall. This is how me know. Vibes Cartel become a clown in a no time.
Bumbo Jamaica, stop!
Missy Alkaline release a new song named Decking. Massacre released a new song with him and Squash. Named 16.
Hey boy, a 50-69 clip. Run!
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Man, you don't know one Media Fox when happen, you know. Yeah, man. You know a thing said people. Is it? So people, you know, say, you don't know I go on a Sunfest and thing. You see me? But you don't know. And this like girl who they found out, you know, talk about Alkaline show and a bag of thing and rare. You see me? So, you don't know she flying for the show. A bag of thing are another video, people. You understand? A bag of thing. So, when I go hear what go on. You see it?
The best show I have ever been to in my life. That was dancehall. That is what I love so much about the music, about the culture. Listen, Vibes Cartel and Movado absolutely showed it. I waited 3 hours to get there, yeah? 3 hours in traffic. It should have been a 20-minute journey. But let me tell you something, I would have waited 5 hours. That is how good it was. I would have waited 10 hours if I knew that's what I was going to see. Listen, if they do just half of that in Malta, half of that in London, we are... There's so many songs they didn't sing. Okay, hold on. Let's just review it one by one. First of all, I've seen Vibes Cartel and Movado perform individually multiple times before. That was Vibes Cartel's best ever performance, and that was Movado's best ever performance. Both of them gave it everything, and there was something about them performing together that just made it electrifying. I think also being in Jamaica, being outside, it just gave what it needed to give. It wasn't a clash, but they were going back to back on rhythm, the same rhythm. Like, they were just changing the rhythm, and then who wants to start? You start. For over an hour. Like, the catalogs are absolutely insane. And whether or not you're Gully, whether or not you're Gaza, whether you're Vendetta, whatever you don't want to say, Vibes Cartel and Movado, them going around to do Gully versus Gaza is going to push dancehall even further. It is so important for our culture. And it was, guys, I have so much to say. I feel like I'm overloaded. Like, I was just up in the lobby speaking to Movado's DJ, and I was just saying, like, I have no notes. It was amazing. Like, guys, it was so good. It was so good. There was even fireworks going off in the background. Vibes Cartel came out in an army outfit. First of all, I don't know how he did sweat because I was so hot. Movado was dressed in all black, and they just gave it. And there was like a bromance, like a unity and a love between them. They were really performing for the fans. They were really paying attention to what people wanted to hear. They were giving songs for the girls. Everything was perfect. There was the right amount of them singing, the right amount of them letting the crowd sing, the right amount of just like, they had who came on? Indu came, and Statius, a little bit of dancing. You had a little bit of banter and joking, but one thing I will say, they didn't do a lot of the bag of talking. They really just performed, and they were even begging for more time to keep performing. There was...
Yeah, man. Them do, you see, Movado and Cartel thing, you know, people. I think the two artists them to me, it's like them feed off of each other energy, like over the years, like Movado make Cartel a sing Jay and all of them someday. So the two of them I do that on the stage, it's iconic based on for say, yo, them two artists are, yo, them feed off of each other for years. You understand? The Goldie and the Gaza, the Mover and the Cartel. You understand? Yeah, the show Yeah, it a go highlight, bring back some memories and thing. But for the future dancehall, no. Me not think cause of the same thing people been a say, yo, cartel read dancehall and read, but if I understand say music kinda move the culture, you know. Music. You understand? That move the culture. So the more artists we can have some big song out there, yeah, that is it. But the clash with them though, yeah, is a good thing for the culture. I feel like highlight, but I don't know. My opinion is nothing move the culture. No, you see me, it's just a thing where it happened in the past, and yeah, people. But after when the Gullian Gaza thing done, what got there is just a highlight for now. You understand? Yeah, man.
So many songs they didn't sing. Like, I'm so excited for London. I'm so excited for Malta. And yeah, guys, I'm speechless. You don't know how much I love dancehall, and you don't know I've traveled the world for dancehall. But what I witnessed today in Jamaica, it just reaffirmed why dancehall is so important. It's just the best thing ever, man. Like, they were great. 10 out of 10. Thank you so much. And I'm so grateful that I could be here to witness it. I'm so grateful I'm going to be in London. I'm going to be in Malta. And wherever else you lot announce, I'm going to have to fly there too. Because, yeah, I need to take it all in.
So people, boy, I never know say Skillibeng in a... You see, sometimes I wonder, I don't know, how them size up Alkaline with Skillibeng. I don't know. But Skillibeng in a Barclays Center. Someone in my perform want to see what I want people, you see me? So me talk about people. Sometimes when I just me the artists them build them thing, my G. Yeah. Me the artists them build them thing, bro. Cause to be honest, it don't make no sense, bro. Skilly is just not that type of artist. Yes, the label I work with him is more kind of commercial, but on the Alkaline scale, no, my G. Cause them thing are now got him to Alkaline. You see me Alkaline have him fans him. Skilly no really have the fans like Alkaline like that. You see what I try to say, we pull and, the what you call songs reaction and all of them little thing there, you see me? But make a tune in people. You see me, Skillibeng in a Barclays Center. See there, that's Skillibeng people. You see, but we see a brother forward out. Boy, me I tell you, say man I beat cartel, brother. And me no know, bro, like, bro, you just need to, if you not talk about cartel, brother, if you not criticize cartel, sometimes you not have to use Alkaline, bro. To be honest now, you don't have to use Alkaline for say something about cartel, bro. You understand? Me no know, it's like, you can't use no other artists or what. I don't know what go on, people. But listen, let's see what go on.
So me know say Alkaline are the real boss. The man himself. The data boss are the real boss for dancehall. This is all me know. Vybz Kartel become a clown in a no time. The biggest clown on the media right now are Vybz Kartel. You see, Alkaline do the things about Vybz Kartel. Think you'd ever see Alkaline wind up himself in a jazz. You think you'd ever see Alkaline pose up with 3, 4, 5 different girl. Matter of fact, you not see them man they pose up with no girl and them man they are girls. Because real girl is on a Friday Friday. Real girl is now for kiss and tell and show the world who him a fuck. That's not what a real girl does. Real girl is reserve and just one away. You see me I say?
The thing is that, bro, this is not about girls, You see me? And about girls, this, is about being an artist, a superstar. Because remember, the people them don't know you as a girlist in a dancehall. Like when them first know you, it's not being a girlist or being a rich man. It's about music. You understand? Music them know you for. So look here now. That are just Alkaline thing. Like him just the people them focus on the music and focus on him shows. Cartel now him have a different character thing I go on with him outside of the music, which are him that. You understand? I just that are two different artists them. You see it? So Alkaline are just the music, Cartel is more like a social media character and thing. You see me? Yeah.
Can't tell say you know used to girl none at all the way you move like you know used to girl, bro. Like I can't tell say you know used to girl none at all, bro. Like you never used to get girl back in the days when they were young. Like since you turn artist and get famous, you start get girl. This man they all over the place. Like my friend Friday, like you know used to fame, you know used to money. It's like one to the life where you used to live. Like I understand say they in prison for 13 years. And you miss out on a lot of things. But come on, man. You're acting so disgusting, bro. Like you know used to nothing, bro. Like you're frightened Friday, bro. You get what I'm saying? You act like say you're alone. Of houses and cars and every minute you're on media show off house and car and XYZ. Every minute you're on the media do that. And then you're alone of house and car, bro. Like you have a whole heap of other artists who have houses and cars and then now they're on the media going like what you're going, bro. Sean Paul and Shaggy be sure they have more money than you. You get what I'm saying? You ever see Massacre post about how much house he buy, how much car he have? Nah, you ever see Vendetta do them something? I mean, know them you they have money, bro. But you're not.
Alkaline is not that type of artist, I just that. You know? Not that type of artist. You just want people focus on the music, him just want to be great. You understand the brother when I look clout and all of them look at thing there. You see me? I just Cartel thing, that Cartel personality, that and a bagger thing. You see me? So right now I just want to them thing the people. Cartel I do what I do. You see me? I just him have to know and understand what I go on. You see it?
I see them on the media run down clout. Like the way you run down clout, man. Man, you just come out of prison and just become one of the biggest clown on social media, bro. Like, I wonder if you know shame on yourself. But he's a grandfather, bro. He's a grandfather. He's an old man, bro. The younger generation artist, them. Better than you on the media right now, bro. I see them going with the things the way you're going, bro. Like you went up yourself in a jazz and all of them sitting there. You show the world, see them. Make the world fall in love with see them. And now you cuss out people when they ask about see them. Because you post videos and pictures of whole heap of different girl. You get what I say? Like some personal things in there post. Like you can know say you fuck them the girl there. You get what I say? And when your fans them ask about see them, you send up all woman and them mother names on there, bro. Like, come on, bro, you're a clown, bro. You're disgusting, bro. You're dog shit. You're drunker, bro. Like, you not change not at all. You tricky people in Bogadi. You not change, bro. We know say you know.
Yeah, man, I this up card. Man say one a dog shit to bombard. Jaja youth. Yeah, Jano. But you know, Cartel have just know him. Have just learn how internet set, you see me? I guess I don't know. I don't know where I'm T-Dog. And why I'm crash out there, so but I just one of them thing there. You know, sometimes some things said and you know, it just lick a nail and you see me? It chip out and a bag of things so. I just a simple question. Him could have answer. Yeah, him could have answer it and say, she good, you know. You see me? And thing, but I don't know people. I just one of them thing there. You see me? I can't tell that.
Believe in a no God, bro. You get me I say? We know say you don't believe in a no God. We know say tricky people and feel clout, bro. You try getting the people in the head to win the people on your side because you know say the people them they like you from day one, bro. Like only your fans alone. Like you, but you get bigger fan base now when you start talking about God and him sitting, bro. And you know say you don't believe in no God, brother. But Alkaline a real boss. Massacre a real boss. Get me I say? The younger artists are going better than Cartel. Get me I say? Valiant do better music than Cartel. Like Valiant do better music than Cartel, bro. Valiant music them have more substance in it and more melody and more. Get me I say? So the younger generation them a beat. Matter about tall belt, but you beat yourself right now. You don't even know. Get me I say? Cause right now, bro, you just clown out yourself, bro. Like you know reserve, bro. You claim say you're the biggest. You're the king of dancehall, you're the biggest thing in a dancehall, and the way how you move, bro, you think Lily down bad, bro, you think small, brother. You think small, bro. See me I say? Somebody need to take away your phone, bro. Somebody need to sit down and reason with them, make you know, say, yo, where you do a fucker, bro? You need to just come and find me. Give me that break, bro. Find back your farm, find back the farm. You don't have to go all the way a Cartel like what you used to be, but you can find back the farm. And cut out the clownism where you deal with, bro. Like you move like a big old ass clown, bro. You know what I say?
And the worst thing, you know, brother, Cartel do what you want to do. I mean, now I tell her what to do what you do. You must know what you want to do, you know, bro. You see me? As me say, society stay and you come out yourself and them things. People start to lose respect. You see me? Yeah, man, I saw things said.
The man will sing say, Man say, what, one Danny for the imitation Miller. So you say, right? Now you become a clone, bro. Gaza fans are going to come from, but I don't care. I can't go suck on the mother in advance, you know. You hear that? I can't go near more to the mother in advance. Yeah, Gaza get fucking up. Gaza come like a real Gaza from English right now, mash up. So anytime you see me, I don't want to come on forward. Anytime I don't want forward, just forward, see? Just forward.
Ja, no, brother. You don't have to do that, my G. Ja. You don't have to do that, my G. We understand how the Gaza fan them stay already, but ja, you're not so serious. You see me? Because I know say more than one thing you say at time, man. You see me? More than one thing you say at time, so make we see what go on. Is it? I just say go people just say things and I understand say things you can get serious, but you don't have to do that, my G. You show them. You see me? On a real that thing, is it?
You think a wild shot? It's a precision every fucking thing, you hear that?
Missy Alkaline release a new song named Decking. Massacre released a new song with him and Squash named 16. Well, it is evident that the two fan bases, them are going to defend them artists. But out of that, I heard a lot of negative energy spilling over the two songs. Like them flop. But the people them who are saying that Alkaline Decking flop and the Massacre and Squash 16 flop, they're not saying that out of honesty. It is not coming from a place inside of them that speak truth.
Well, you don't know, you know. So my time I just, you know, the Gaza people them are so my time. And other people when I rate the artists them. You see me, them I just say them thing and you see me, oh song not this and song. I just say go like artists just make music is like, you know, people listen music tribal, you know. You see it? Yeah man, them no listen music for listen music. I just tribally. You see me, if them no rate the artist, yeah, every song when put out a trash. I just one of them thing there, you see me?
It is coming from a place inside of them that gravitated onto politics. And politics is like, it's like poison. Politics generates dishonesty. Politics generate hatred, envy, resentment, biasness, and all these things. I love music. I listen to all different type of music. I listen to the young artists them, I listen to the veteran them, the elders them, I listen to reggae, dancehall, all different genre. So I'm a lover of music. Sometimes an artist sing a song, and I listen to it. My favorite songs them where I know say, those are my favorite songs. I even listen to gospel. Song where people are singing about Jesus and all them, some of them, I listen to them, all the vibes and music. So my take on Alkaline song would be, lyrically, it's very creative. When you listen to the lyrics them, you know, it adds some things out there. You know, I have to just read between the lines and take it out. Once you can stand now with the man Squash is there, it's like a gangster thing. You don't do a dance hall. See? Yeah, so me and the Rasta man, we don't know dance hall go. We don't know dance hall, but dance hall is not church. In the sense of where you go and listen to gospel and oh the Lord say and Jesus is coming again. No, that we know what is that. So, result. Your children are one of us. You don't have to be friend. You know what I mean? You don't have to talk, you don't have to cook a pot together and sit and eat and drink and laugh and giggle together. But that doesn't say you cannot speak positive over a person and wish them all the best in their endeavors. You get what I say? Me in the arms house business with people. Seeing, I want to see everybody strive, I want to see everybody make it. Because 99% of us have children, families to take care of, bills to pay. And this is how many of us pay our bills and achieve. So why belittle or push down someone and hinder someone from making an honest bread? It's best to see, or it's better to see someone doing what they are doing legally, earning their honest bread, taking care of themselves and their families, rather than to see them under the earth or locked away in prison or become menace to society. Sometimes we look upon the thing in a real positive way. You know what I mean? Eyes are eye like this way. I don't look at one side of a coin. And I not only look at both sides. I look at both sides and also around the edges. You get me? Yeah, man. So big up all of the artists, them, man, and the dancer, and then a reggae. Big up on yourself, man. Just do the right thing. Big up all of the youths, them. Stay out of trouble. Keep focused and do the right thing. Rastafari. Me! Shocking Murray said that.
Yeah, man, people, big up on yourself. You're Shocking Murray, I say. Don't get in no feelings. You understand? If you not talk the truth, talk the truth. You see me, not because you're not rate a artist means say enough to talk the truth when it comes to musical. You understand? I just one of them thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, you don't know what media facts money up, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. You know what thing said. That is it.